Hey kitties! This video is about nature. Now we need to protect it. Let's get started. You know, we find trash everywhere. In our front yards, in our backyards, just everywhere. Can make a difference. I'm not kidding, we really can. Nature is very beautiful. Don't we want to keep it that way? A really amazing, beautiful place where everyone can enjoy all of the wonders of nature. We just have to sit around, sitting in front of the computer all day. Come on, don't you want to go outside and enjoy nature? We can keep it beautiful. We can keep all nature beautiful by picking up cups and pieces of paper and many other stuff. And you may think that's just not gonna make a difference, but it is. It'll make a real big difference. I know I'm sounding like a total suck-up, but it is true. It's all true. Truly make the world a better place. For everyone. And for every living thing. The earth will be destroyed if we don't help it. So please try and make the earth a better place. Do it. I know everyone can do it. You can turn this into this. Nature is beautiful. Go and enjoy it. Go and help it grow. The world is a very, very beautiful place. A very beautiful place. Forget it.